High performance, variability, everyday usability, the Audi RS Q8 is at the top of its class in the Q product line. The high-performance SUV coupe by Audi Sport stands for outstanding driving performance, enormous variance with regard to design and driver experience, and unrestricted everyday usability. The new Audi RS Q8 impressively showcases its genes as a high-performance sports car. The numerous RS design details enhance the independent character of the new top model of the RS family. Its strikingly self-confident face exhibits an imposing octagonal single frame with a black glossy RS honeycomb grille and large side air inlets. As a unique selling point, the RS Q8 is 5,012 mm 197.3 in length and carries a visually encircling RS sill edge in Manhattan gray as standard. RS-specific strips in the body color give the large SUV coupe a greater width 10 mm 0.4 in at the front and 5 mm 0.2 in at the rear. It therefore has the space necessary for a more generous track width. The RS roof edge spoiler provides a striking finish to the coupe-style, sloping roofline. The characteristic rear light strip and the RS-specific rear apron, including typical RS oval-shaped tailpipes, add a sporty touch for pure performance. Standard LED headlights illuminate the road with dark-tinted RS Matrix LED headlights available as an option. Here, the three-dimensional signature of the daytime running lights has a digital character, similar to the rear lights. Confident, the drive. 441 kilowatts, 600 PS, 800 newton meters, 590.05 pound-feet, torque between 2,200 and 4,500, 1 revolution per minute, from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 62.1 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds. The 4.0 TFSI in the new Audi RS Q8 delivers a superior RS performance. With the optional dynamic package plus, top speed has been raised to 305 km per hour, 189.5 miles per hour. The turbocharged gasoline engine with direct injection produces a full-bodied and sporty V8 sound, which can be adjusted using the Audi Drive Select dynamic handling system. Thanks to its mild hybrid system MHEV, with a 48-volt main onboard electrical system, the V8 power unit combines maximum performance with high efficiency. The cylinder-on-demand (COD) system is also onboard as another efficiency component. A standard 8-speed Tiptronic transfers power to the permanent all-wheel drive Quattro. Clear and fully digital, the interior. The interior of the new RS Q8 features a deliberately clean design. The slim instrument panel and the strongly horizontal body line convey a feeling of spaciousness. The central element in the cockpit is the top MMI touch response display. With its black panel look, it almost dissolves into a large, black surface when switched off. The driver always has relevant information in view, on the display of the standard Audi virtual cockpit and on the optional RS head-up display. Special RS displays provide additional trip and vehicle data. The shift light display prompts the driver to upshift when the rev limit is reached. The fully perforated RS Sport leather steering wheel flattened at the bottom with shift paddles also includes multi-function buttons. The driver can directly select the new Audi Drive Select modes 1 rupee and 2 rupees via the RS mode button. This automatically opens the RS-specific displays in the Audi virtual cockpit. The new Audi RS Q8 successfully combines outstanding sportiness and maximum everyday usability, and the interior is no exception. There is ample space for 5. A 3-seat rear bench that slides up to 10 cm (3.9 in) is standard. The luggage compartment of the RS Q8 holds 605 liters (21.4 cubic feet) as standard, which increases to 1,755 liters (62.0 cubic feet) with the rear backrests folded down. An electric tailgate is standard. Foot-activated gesture control is available as an option. Sportiness and luxury are not mutually exclusive. The sport seats with RS embossing fit perfectly into the athletic atmosphere of the RS Q8. Ventilated RS sport seats in Valcona leather with a honeycomb pattern and RS embossing are an even more luxurious option. The Audi RS Q8 is top-notch with respect to voice and connection quality thanks to the Audi phone box and voiceover LTE. The same applies to the Bang & Olufsen advanced sound system with fascinating 3D sound. For the RS Q8, Audi Sport offers comprehensive comfort and connectivity equipment and a large selection of driver assist systems. The RS Q8 will arrive at dealerships in Germany and other European countries starting in the first quarter of 2020. The base price will be €127,000. Exterior design. Clear contours and athletic and tight surfaces convey the power of the Audi RS Q8, even when parked. Numerous RS design details highlight the independent character of the new top model of the RS family. Its impressive and self-confident face exhibits an imposing octagonal single frame with an RS-specific radiator grille and a black, glossy RS honeycomb grille. This, combined with the large side air inlets and the blade in high-gloss black, perfectly highlights the athletic character of the 5012mm (197.3 in) long SUV coupe from Audi Sport. The body of the RS Q8 looks well-toned from every viewing angle. This impression is enhanced by the visually encircling RS sill edges, which are designed in Manhattan gray as standard. For a more generous track width, the RS-specific strips in the body color widen the body at the front wheel arches by 10 mm (0.4 in) and at the rear by 5 mm (0.2 in). The large wheels, optionally with a rim diameter of up to 23 inches, additionally emphasize the striking appearance of the RS Q8. The roof visually spans low over the vehicle body thanks to the frameless doors. The coupe-style roofline slopes and flows into the forward-canted D-pillars and rests against the quattro blisters above the wheel arches. The characteristic rear light strip and the RS roof edge spoiler give an impressive finish. The latter provides downforce on the rear axle for even balance, even at high speeds. The RS-specific rear apron with a diffuser clip in high-gloss black and the RS typical oval tailpipes add a further sporty touch at the rear. Customers can equip their RS Q8 according to their personal taste. A high variance and a wide range of customization options thus provide the greatest possible creative freedom. The new Audi RS Q8 is available in a choice of 9 colors, 1 solid paint finish and 8 metallic or pearl effect shades. The exterior mirror housings come in black as standard with body color, aluminum or carbon available as options. The aluminum and carbon styling packages set precise accents at the radiator grille, blades, diffuser clip and, for carbon, at the rear light strip. In combination with the black and carbon styling packages, the Audi rings and RS logos at the front and rear are optionally available in black. The Audi exclusive range offers numerous other customization options.